Hello and welcome to this channel. So today we are going to set up the environment for starting the Golang Journey. So I've bought a book and we will go through this book step by step. But at first I need to set up this um, iMac MacBook Air to be able to work on it. So let's start. I will need first to install my SSH. Mhm. Right. Yes. I never had this before. Anyway. Oh. That's a nice beginning. That's a nice beginning. That doesn't happen. You want to skip the verification and it's here later. I don't really know what is that. Alright. Okay. I have to change also the plugins or template of my ZSH. I really hate this one. Can't remember which one I use usually. Nice. I thought it was starting by a hair, but probably not. Or maybe it's a G. Journey. Better, better, better. Now I've also noticed that I don't have any colors on my Vim. Set mouse. Set new. And the colors. Let me remember. I think it's colors or set colors maybe. Syntax color. Syntax on. Alright. Is that better? Let's clean this. Also want to install the ZSH highlighting. Let's do that. Awesome. always make sure that when you copy something, it doesn't do anything weird, or always good to check. So yes, now I have the highlighting. All right. So now we should start to maybe install Go. Oh, I have already this from my other users. All right. Well, if we didn't need to install it, I think it's fine. And then what else? I will probably have to install my workspace. Okay, it's already here. So Wireshark and then Fusion. Okay. But I'm not sure I have my Go. Oh, yep, I have nothing. And from what I can remember, I'm supposed to have some pass or environment variable setup for Go. Useful environment variable Golang. Ah, no, that's not what I want to do. Neither. Maybe it changed, but not sure about that. Let's read this again. Installing Go version path. Download the package file. Alright. Yeah. Well, I guess it's enough. So for bigger project, I like to work also with VS Code. So maybe I already have this as well. No. So I need to install it. Right. Let's follow a tutorial. You'll probably find some useful extension. Go in Visual Studio, IntelliSense. That this is useful. Navigation, sure. Well, I guess gonna be enough. I also have to change this. System préférence. open trackpad, go to the side. Tap to click. Yeah, better. Alright, this is done. Install extension. Oh no, it's not like Sublime Text. We are supposed to go somewhere. Where it is? Here. Golang. 10K. So usually when I download an extension, I watch to how many people downloaded it, and if it has sense to take it or not. So for example, Go, this one has 2.9 million, which is quite huge. Godot can be useful, but sadly I'm not this kind of developer that spend a lot of time on the documentation. I Google things like really fast and often take what is already actually working for others. So I spend a lot of time on Stack Overflow. As you can see, I didn't spend so much time on the documentation for installing. I'm just searching for the keywords I'm interested in. And yeah, that's pretty almost how I work. So we will see if it works fine with this Golang Journey, and if I progress. So I have like some basics. I'm not like I'm not learning from scratch. I already some knowledge with some other language like Python, C language. So it should not be so hard. And I already like a little bit read this book and made some tools for my job. So I'm not totally lost. And so it's not like if I was a really new beginner programmer. I'm programming for now almost 4 years, so uh, I'm relatively doing well. I would say that like that. So, all right. Let's start. I just want to make sure it works. That main EU. All right. I use Sublime Text most of the time with my other work. When I'm coding in Ruby or Python, and I don't know why, but with Golang I started to use VS Code, so I'm still a little bit learning how to use it correctly. So that's not like super smooth. All right, I'm on it. Let's rename this file. Okay. Rename main.go. Find main. Okay. Go return command is not available. Let's try this. No, I need this. Go to settings, Why? Why you failed, bro? Oh my god. I really hate when you get some failed on whatever and there is no the return error. Like you cannot even know why and fix it by yourself. or maybe at the end they will give all the details, but well, it's still a little bit weird for me. Succeeded. Fate. You may have noticed that I have a strong French accent, and sometimes my English can be really um, well, different. I hope it doesn't bother you too much and that it won't um, make your journey or watching those videos a nightmare for you. But I will try my best not to be too much not understandable as much as possible. Yes. Failed. Let's try by myself. Somebody. Go get. Alright. Ah, it returns error. I was bitching for nothing, for no reason. Okay. Anyway, I've downloaded it by myself, so now it's good. Alright. So this output's gonna be a little bit boring, I guess, in the next future. And I'm not used with this terminal thing, so I will probably remove it. How to remove it? Terminal. Should be here. Terminal. All right. Okay. So let's just check that it works. Good. So in the next video, I'm going to go through the few commands that I know, and then we will be able to start also on the reading the books and going chapter after chapter and doing the exercise asked by the books. So thank you very much. I know that it can be really boring and I will probably have to install many other tools on the next videos. But for now, I think I really want to go from the beginnings where you can see me setting up my environment, how fast it can be, and like it's really up to you because some people really like to use Vim, some people used to like VS Code. I don't enter inside this kind of discussion because everybody has everybody is different. Everybody likes the tools for another reason. So I just set up it for myself, and I will probably improve it and change a little bit my environment step after step when I will like discover that I hate maybe using this or another thing. Maybe I will start with VS Code and I will switch to Sublime Text because I'm used with Sublime Text a lot. Well, anyway, it's really up to you. But I think when you start to learn a language or to code, it's really important that you feel comfortable with your environment. So, for example, I have seen many people around YouTube and Twitch or whatever. They use the terminal inside VS Code, and I really know why. It's like you don't need to change your window or what. So I think I can get why those people like it, but I don't. So, for example, I will not enable it. So it's really up to you if you feel comfortable with the terminal inside your editor, or if you don't feel comfortable with VS Code, if you prefer to use Emacs, Vim, whatever. It's up to you. Like just try to set up an environment that you feel comfortable with, and anyway, you will improve it. So and even right now, after 4 years coding, I'm still updating my my environment. So I used to work on Linux at first. Now I'm on OS X. I used to work a lot on Vim, Vime or Vim, I don't know how to say that. And now I'm working a lot with Sublime Text and also VS Code for few days now. So, well, it's up to you. Just make sure that you set up an environment you will feel comfortable, and you can check that your. So the most important is also that Go, of course, is installed. So you can check. Oh no, it's not this way. You can check that you have install it, and use some command just to check that it works. So for example, here Go version. I'm on the 1.11.1. And it's gonna be all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and have a nice day or evening, whatever the time it is for you.